guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a what I packed in my suitcase for vacation video. Yes, I got bangs. I actually had them in the last video, but you really couldn't tell my last encouragement video that I posted. So yeah, I got bangs. They're really cute. My hair's dirty though. I gotta wash it tonight. But yeah, let's go and get into the video. But before we do that, make sure you hit the red subscribe button, turn on bell notifications if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget my social media links are linked down below, so follow me because I show behind the scenes. Alright, so first thing I'm taking is this maxi dress. It's like, what color is this? Seafoam green, I guess you could say. It's a maxi and it's like cut here. And then it's like an up-down dress down here, and it's floral and it's super flowy and perfect for the beach. So this is my first item. Just haven't put it in my suitcase yet because I wanted to show you guys what it looked like instead of being all folded up. Also, my mom is letting me borrow her leopard backpack. And what's going to go in here is my laptop so I can import footage and watch other YouTube videos during my downtime. Excuse my nails, they look awful. And then all of my camera stuff will go in there as well. I'm also just going to use this as my purse. So yeah, I'll probably just leave my laptop in the hotel and then take this around with me with my camera and whatnot that I need in my purse. So yeah, this is going to be my purse for the trip. I didn't want to take my black backpack because I wanted something a little more fun for summer. So mom came through with the leopard. So thanks, mom. I love you. Alright, moving on to my suitcase. I'm taking this Yeti cap just in case my hair starts looking gross or something, or I just want to wear a cap. I'm taking this. Taking a fedora because I have a cute outfit in mind. By the way, guys, I'm going to try to show y'all OOTDs every day, and I'm also going to be vlogging, obviously, since I'm taking my camera. I don't know how much footage I will get. I don't know how good my footage will be, but I will be vlogging this video. Hopefully it's long and I can divide it into 2 parts. I don't know. We'll see. But yes, I'm vlogging. So, and I'll try to do OOTDs. Just letting y'all know. Be on the lookout for that. And then, yeah. So this is just a beach tank. It says don't worry, beach happy or something like that. My swimsuit top, which is so cute. I got it at Walmart. It's made really cute. I love it. With my purple bottoms. And then this is just my sleep stuff that I'm taking with me to sleep in, obviously. This is my toiletry bag with my face wash and makeup remover and all that stuff. And then this is my makeup, which y'all should have already seen that video. If not, I will link it in the cards or at the end of the video for what I'm traveling with on this trip. This is my round pineapple beach towel. These are just some pineapple flip-flops for the beach, so in case my feet get all sandy and gross, I will have these on because you never know what's on the beach, if we're being honest. And then I'm taking my adorable little black slip-on shoes that look like this. I'm so obsessed with these shoes. I need 50 more pair. At first I thought they were going to be the ugliest shoes ever, but I love them. And then I just got these recently as well, so I'm going to take these with me. Just for brown color scheme. I'll probably wear them with that maxi dress. I'm taking this one shoulder shirt. I know this doesn't really look that interesting, but I promise I'll show OOTDs. Taking this black floral shirt. And then here is a little striped coral crop top that I'm taking. My red bodysuit. I'll actually unfold this because it's super cute. It's made like this at the top, and you wear it off the shoulder. So I'm going to wear that with these black and white shorts. I'll unfold this too, guys, for y'all. So I'm going to wear this with this red bodysuit, these shoes, and then this hat. And I think that would be precious. So I can't pack up my contact stuff yet, my jewelry, or my deodorant, toothbrush, that type of stuff, because obviously I need those things out so I can use them. But yeah, and then I'm going to take my laptop, like I mentioned. It actually is going to go in this little pouch because I got this forever ago. Forgot I had it. I found it when I cleaned out my closet, so I'm going to put my laptop and my charging cable in here and then stick it over in the leopard backpack. So yeah, what else was I gonna show you guys? I forgot. Oh, I didn't show you the shorts. So I'm taking like 3 pair of denim shorts. I'm taking these that I forgot that I had because I was like, is 2 gonna be enough? Because as y'all have seen before, I got these and then my tie-dye ones. So yeah, and then of course I have like my underwear, bra, and all that stuff, which y'all don't need to see. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm trying to like be minimalistic and tell myself that I don't need a lot of stuff, but I feel like I don't have enough stuff because I'm like, maybe I need a romper, maybe I need like another dress, but I really don't. I'm trying to minimize, guys. I'm trying to minimize. So yeah, I know this vlog is like really short, but that's really about it. And I know I didn't really show y'all like everything in detail, but that is probably going to be it for this vlog just because I want to edit it and get it up tomorrow before we leave. As far as Wednesday goes, there's honestly probably not going to be a video because I won't be here, obviously, unless I have like some amazing vlog footage or something that I can put up while we're on the trip. But yeah, as of right now, no video Wednesday. My birthday is on Saturday, which I cannot believe. So I may vlog some of that, and then I know on the 7th of July we're going to see my cousin, so I may try to vlog some of that as well. So yeah, comment down below if you want me to do like a birthday vlog of just like the day of my birthday or like combine it with when I see my cousin. I'll probably do 2 different ones, but let me know. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is what the outside of my suitcase looks like. It's turquoise. Ow. It's turquoise, obviously, because I love turquoise. And the only thing that I'm irritated about is this zipper right here does not work. Like, it broke completely off. So whatever I put here, I'm gonna have to make sure, like if I put jewelry or something here, that it's in a bag or something. So if it does fall into here, it's not gonna be like the end of the world. But yeah. Oh, I know this is completely random and has nothing to do with this video, but I started burning this new candle. I started burning this new candle, Bloom Where You Are Planted. And it smells pretty good. Not really sure how to explain the scent. Go figure. I don't even know what scent this is. Let me see if I can see without burning myself. Oh, beach flower. What do you know? It's not gonna focus and I don't wanna like make a mess, but yeah. So it's called Beach Flower. Oh, also I need to make sure that I pack my cologne and my lotion because these are like must-haves as well as my chapstick. Those are like my 3 must-haves that I have to have with me at all times or I'm like a crazy person. But yeah, guys, so I'm really sorry that this vlog is short. Actually, I can show you the outfit I'm wearing in the car. Hold on. Okay, so they're just these black shorts and they say like babe all the way around them. They're super cute. I got them at Factory Connection. I also got this shirt there. Sorry, I'm still new at vlogging, guys. Just has like a little pocket here. It's a v-neck and it's like a crop top. I'm all about crop tops recently. I don't know why. But I just think they're super cute and fun for like summer when you don't feel like wearing full-length clothing. I don't know. But yeah, so super cute. It's like a reddish color. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing in the car just because it'll be really comfy. And I'm going to wear it with like, I was going to wear it with tennis shoes, but I'll probably just wear it with black sandals. So yeah, that's my outfit for the car. Already got it ready to go. But yeah, guys, I will go ahead and wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. Sorry it was like short and all over the place. I feel like I say that in all my videos, that they're all over the place. But what can I say? They probably are. I am gonna go finish packing a little bit more, like organize that again since I unfolded some things. Upload this footage, wash my hair, eat some dinner, catch up on YouTube videos, and yeah, I don't know what else I'll do. But yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.